So let's start. Like a capacitor of 10 microfarad is charged to a potential 20 volt, and another capacitor is 30 microfarad that is charged to a potential 10 volt. Okay, just draw whatever information is given. Just do like this. One capacitor is of how much microfarad? 10 microfarad.
10.
Clear? This is positive plate, negative plate. If it is 10 microfarad and we are supplying how much voltage? It is 20 volt. Then how much charge? 200 microcoulomb. Here minus 200 microcoulomb. Okay. You are charging this capacitor up to this. Okay. Next, there
Okay,
is
sir.
one more capacitor which is charged to a potential how much? 10 volt. Clear?
Yes, sir.
I think its capacitance is how much? 30 microfarad. So how much charge is stored? 300 microcoulomb. This is minus 300 microcoulomb. Up to this, any doubt?
No, sir.
Clear? Now see, what they are saying that this positive plate, this positive plate, this positive plate, negative plate with a negative plate we have connected like this. Positive plate is connected together, negative plate is connected together. Then you know that if you connect, then what is going to happen? There
They
is
will.
transfer of charge is going to take place. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is a 20 volt. Here it is initially. Okay, initially it is 10 volt. And here I think charge, how much charge is stored? 300 microcoulomb. Here how much charge is stored? That is minus 300
Minus
microcoulomb.
300.
Here, similarly here also, how much charge is stored? 200 microcoulomb.
200.
Here minus how much? Minus 200 microcoulomb. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, my question is, once you connect these two capacitors, then what is going to happen? This plate is at 20 volt, this plate is at 10 volt. So, charge is going to transfer. For example, this is at high potential, this is at low potential. Okay, so let us suppose some Q charge is being transferred from this plate and it is stored in this plate. Okay, then after some time, how much charge here? 200 minus Q on this plate. How much charge? Initially
300
300,
plus Q.
300 plus Q. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So, as per charge principle, charge conservation principle, charge can neither be created nor be destroyed. Okay? Initially, it is 200 microcoulomb. Here, 300 microcoulomb. There is a transfer of charge is going to takes place between these two plates. Understood? Charge is not lost. It is here only. So, this is isolated region, isolated plate.
Okay, sir.
Okay? If you look at carefully, once you connect these two plates, initial charge on these two plates is equal to the final charge. So initial is 200 microcoulomb, 300 microcoulomb, final is 200 minus Q plus 300 plus Q. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Is it so? Anything like mistake I did? Any mistake I did?
Initially, it was this much and correct only, no, sir.
Okay, did I make any mistake? Tell me. Is it correct like is it a correct way to do like this?
No, But no, sir, to represent it, it's not correct.
Yeah. See, you know that we have learned in conduction what is going to happen if you connect two conductors with a connecting wire. Charge is going to transfer until they achieve a common potential. Okay, so we will do like this. Potential of this plate. Let us suppose here common potential is Vc. Here common potential is Vc. Understood? So potential of this plate is same as that. Q by C. That is, we will do like this. What is the capacitance of this plate? 10 microfarad. Okay. Similarly here, this is, what is the capacitance of this plate? 30 microfarad.
30 microfarad.
Now you just cancel it. Okay. What is the answer? That is 4Q is equal
to 300.
Then Q will be how much? Tell me.
300.
300 by 400. How much?
By 275.
75 microcoulomb. If it is 75 microcoulomb, then how much charge now? 200 minus 75. Tell me fast. Fast. You should be fast in calculation. 200 minus 75.
125, sir.
What?
125.
Okay. Then here, how much charge?
375.
375. 75. Now still you can see that 200 plus 300, 500 microcoulomb. After that also 300, 375 plus 125. Understood? Charge conservation principle is going to hold. Got it? So Q comes out to be 75 microcoulomb. Can you find Vc now? Vc is Q by C. 125 by C is how much? What is the capacitance?
10, sir.
10.
So
then what is the Vc? Vc
12.
comes out to be 12.5 volt. This is a common potential. What they are asking. Understood?
Yes.
Any doubt? So first question they are asking, find the common potential across the combination we have solved. Next they are asking, find the energy stored in combination. So how much energy is stored? So you can find delta U. Okay. UF minus UI. Here how much energy is stored? So U initially will be half C1 V1 square plus half C2 V2 square. You can find initially how much. What is the capacitance initially? 10 microfarad. I think voltage is how much you are supplying? 20.
Sir.
Initially it is like that now.
Yeah,
what is
sir.
C2? C2 is how much? 30.
30, 10.
And what is the voltage?
10.
10. So you can solve this and give me the answer fast. You don't solve. Okay, this is UI. Similarly, UF, find UF. It will be half C1 BC square plus half C2 BC square. Understood? You can take BC square common. That is, and half also common. It will be C1 plus C2.
C2.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So tell me what is the answer? VC is how much? 12.5 square multiply half C1 plus C2. C1 is how much? 10. 10 plus 30, that is 40. Now you can solve this UI and UF. Got it? Can you solve or not?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So any doubt like?
Sir, 1 second, can you go to previous slide, sir?
Okay. Any doubt like?
That one I'm seeing.
Tell me fast.
No, sir. Clear.
Clear? Please write.
Mm.
And solve like UF. What is UF? Solve and give me the answer. So you will get what is the answer like? This comes out to be UI will be, if you solve, this will be 2000 plus 1500. How much? Tell me. 3500 micro joule. Similarly, UF comes out to be 3125 microjoule. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, once you connect these two plates, do you see any work done by the battery? Do you see any battery role here? No. So heat loss, yesterday we have learned, heat loss is the work done by battery minus the energy stored in the capacitor.
Mm.
So there is no work is done by the
Back.
battery. So it will be UI minus UF. UI, you know how much? 2000 plus 1500. Okay. Minus UF is how much? 3125 microjoule. So you just solve and give me the answer how much you are getting. It will be 375 microjoule. This is the heat loss. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir. Clear.
Please write.